Welcome to the Python programming series. My name is Shubharanjini from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SMS College of Engineering. In today's video, we will cover the fundamentals of conditional statements in Python, which are essential for decision making in your code. Let's get started. What are conditional statements first? Conditional statements are fundamental building blocks in Python programming. They allow your code to make decisions and execute different actions based on specific conditions. There are three main types of conditional statements in Python: if, elif, and else. Now comes the question that why use conditional statements? Conditional statements help manage the control flow of your program. They allow your code to respond differently to various inputs, providing flexibility and adaptability to different scenarios. Now, let's look at the basic syntax. The basic syntax of an if statement is as follows: if condition, colon, below with indentation of 4, code block to execute if condition is true. This line introduces the conditional statement. The code within this block will execute if the condition is true. The understanding of if statement. The if statement evaluates the condition. If the condition is true, the code block within the if statement is executed. If the condition is false, the code block is skipped. In this example, here we consider an example that the condition x is equal to 5, and if x is greater than 5, then print x is greater than 5. Here in this example which I mentioned, the condition is x is here we can give a variable x is equal to 10. Then what comes the answer then? The condition is already satisfied. So x is greater than 5 is printed. Okay. Next, understanding the else statement. The else statement follows an if statement and executes a code block if the else statement is false. Understanding the elif statement. The elif statement, short for else if, allows you to check multiple conditions sequentially. If the if condition is false, the elif condition is evaluated. If the elif condition is true, its code block is executed. If the condition are true, the if the condition are true, the else block is executed. Next is nested conditionals. Nested conditionals are if statements inside other if statements. They allow for more complex decision making processes. Now we'll see a case study regarding grading system. Let's apply conditional statements to create a grading system. Based on the student's mark, we will assign a grade. Here how it works. Marks, we can give marks is equal to 85. If marks is greater than 90, then print grade is equal to A. If marks is greater than or equal to 80, grade is equal to B. If marks is greater than 70, then print grade is equal to C. If marks greater than or equal to 60, then grade is equal to D. Else grade is equal to F to print the last grade. At last, print the grade is to mention the flower bracket and then print grade there. In this example, the students' marks are evaluated against different thresholds to assign a grade. Since the marks are 85, the students receive the B. Okay, next is the real world application. Conditional statements are also used in real world applications. Consider a banking system where a user wants to withdraw money. The program checks if the withdrawal amount is less than or equal to the account balance before processing the withdrawal. So in this example, the program checks if the withdrawal amount is less than or equal to the balance. If true, the withdrawal is processed, and the remaining balance is updated. If false, an error message is displayed. Next, the common mistakes and best practices. To ensure your conditional statements are effective, avoid common mistakes and follow best practices. Here are a few tips. Ensure conditions are mutually exclusive to avoid logical errors. Use comments to explain complex conditional logic. Avoid deep nesting for better readability. To summarize, conditional statements are essential for controlling the flow of your program. We have covered the if, elif, and else statements, also nested conditionals. Understanding these concepts is crucial for writing effective and flexible Python code. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has provided you with a solid understanding of conditional statements in Python. Stay tuned for more videos in our Python programming series. If you have any queries or questions or any further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Happy coding!